students, today I am going to start quadratic equation for class 11. Okay, quadratic equation for class 11. Just to see quadratic equation for class 11 as per the ISC syllabus, quadratic equation. Okay, the quadratic equation chapter already you have started in class 9 and 10, and here same thing you have to do, slight more you have to practice. The chapter name is quadratic equation. The format is like this: a x square plus bx plus c is equal to, this is the form of a quadratic equation. What is a? A means the coefficient of x square. A is equal to coefficient of x square. What is b? That is coefficient of x. What is c? That is constant term. After finding the value of a, b, c from the quadratic equation, the quadratic equation form should be like this: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. After finding the value of a, b, c, then you can find sum of roots, which is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha and beta are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Sum of the root formula is alpha plus beta, that is formula is minus b by a. And product of roots, the formula is alpha into beta, which is equal to c by a. These two formula you have to memorize for the exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 from ML overall book. From ML overall book I am doing exercise 3.3 on quadratic equation related sum of root and product of root. First question given, number 1. See the question given like this: x square plus 9 equal to 0. This is the given. From this equation you have to tell what is a. A means the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient x square is what? 1. What is b? The coefficient of x, nothing given, that is 0. And what is c? That is coefficient of constant term. Here 9 given plus 9. A means the coefficient of x square, that is x square from nothing given is 1, and that is b is what? Coefficient of x, no co-x is there, that is 0 you have to write. C means the constant of, that is 9. After finding the value of a, b, c, then you find sum of the root, alpha plus beta. Formula is you have to find out sum of the root and product of the root, minus b by a. What is the value of b? That is 0. 0 by 1, that is 0. Okay. Then alpha into beta, that is c by a. C is what? 9 by 1, that is equal to 9. This is the way of finding alpha plus beta and alpha into beta from the given equation. Okay. This is the first, number 1. First part I have completed. See the second part, what is given here, just see. See the second part question given: root 2x square minus root 2x plus 4 equal to 0. This is given, question given. It is a quadratic equation and you have to find out what is a. A means the coefficient of x square. What is that? Root 2. Next to find b, the coefficient of x. What is that? Minus root 2. Next to find c, that is constant term. What is that? 4. After finding the value of a, b, c, then you can easily find out the sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta minus b by a. Sum of the root formula is minus b by a. Minus root b means what? Minus root 2 by a, that is root 2. Minus plus root 2 cancel, that is plus 1. Next to find alpha and beta, that is c by a. C means here 4, a means here root 2. You have to rationalize multiplying 4 root 2 both sides, or you have to multiply root 2 both numerator and denominator. This will be 4 root 2 and by 2. The final answer is 2 root 2. This is the way of finding the sum of root and product root of the given number 1 second part. Let us see next part. See the question number 2. 3x square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. This is given. And to find alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha plus alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 whole into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. This is the value you have to find out. First target you have to find out from the given equation what is the value of A, that is coefficient of x square 3. What is the value of B, coefficient of A, that is minus 6. What is the value of C, that is constant number 4. After finding A, B, C, then go to find out alpha plus beta, that is minus B by A. Minus B means here minus 6 by A means what, 3, that is 3 to the 6, that is 2. And alpha into beta, that is C by A. What is C? 4. A means here 3, 4 by 3. Okay. After getting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, you have to simplify the given to find, then put the value. Okay, just see. See, this is the things you have to find out. Take the LCM of this one. LCM alpha into beta. This will be alpha cube. This will be beta cube. This one is same thing. Alpha beta, alpha square plus beta square. Here 2 whole into LCM will be alpha beta. The top will be beta plus alpha. I am writing directly alpha plus beta. The last one is 3 alpha beta. See, where given alpha into beta, you can put the direct value, but here you have to apply the formula here just to see. Alpha cube plus beta cube means alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta whole into alpha plus beta. This is the formula for A cube plus B cube. And downside is alpha beta. And same thing, alpha square plus beta means alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. And here plus 2 alpha plus beta, you got how much? Alpha plus beta you got 2. That means alpha plus beta you got 2. This will be 2 by, and alpha into beta you got 4 by 3. I am putting the value of here 4 by 3. And last it is given plus 3 alpha into beta, that is 4 by 3. Let us 3 will be cancelled out. Now you have to put the value of here alpha plus beta, that is how much you got? 2 in 2 cube minus 3 alpha beta 4 by 3 and alpha into beta 2. Next alpha into beta, that is 4 by 3 plus alpha plus beta 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta, that is 4 by 3, and here also alpha into beta, that is also 4 by 3, and this is 3 will go up, 2 to the 4 cancel, 3 left, here 3 cancel, 4 left. Now after simplification, how much you getting? This 3 cancel, 2 cube means 8 minus 8, 0 by anything 0, plus 8 minus 8 by 3, and here 4 by 3, and here plus 7. Okay, just see how much you are getting. This will be how? 24 minus 8 by 3 into 3 by 4 and plus 7. This 3 will be cancelled out. Finally what you are getting? 24 minus 8 means 16, and here 4 plus 7. 4 is 16, 4 is 16, and 7 plus 4, 11. 11 is the answer. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the slight lengthy type question, not difficult, lengthy type question. Next I am doing number 4. Okay, number 4, just to see. See the question number 4. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given, and alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Means alpha plus beta will be how much? Minus b by, just applying the formula. Alpha and beta is how much? C by a. After getting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha and beta, your first part is they are asking to find out alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square means this will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Put the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta, that is c by a. Finally, how much you are getting? You are getting b square by a square minus 2c by a. What is the LCM? A square a square. This will be b square minus 2ca. This is the answer of number 4 first part. See the second part. What you would find out? Second part question given like this. Second part question given alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Just take LCM. This will be alpha into beta. This is alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square beta square already have found how much? B square minus 2ca by a square. Put in the value of alpha square plus already found, first part I found. Yes or no? Just see. And divide by 1 by alpha beta. Alpha beta is how much you got? Alpha beta c by a. That is 1 by c by a. That means a will go off. The finally you are getting b square minus 2ca by a square into a by c. 1a will be cancelled out. Final answer b square minus 2ca by ac. This is the answer of number 4 second part. Just see third part. Okay. Third part question given, you will find out alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube means you have to apply a cube alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta whole into alpha plus beta. Put the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a whole cube minus 3 alpha beta, that is c by a. Again alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Finally, what you are getting here? This will be b cube by a cube. This will be plus 3bc by a square. The LCM will be a cube, no doubt. Okay, that means 1 by a cube. LCM, this will be b cube plus 3abc. This is the answer of number third part. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving quadratic equation. Next we will continue this chapter. Thank you for today's class.